Hey folks, I wanted to do a quick review on this Camo form. It's a reusable self-cling wrap, and really like this stuff. It comes in a bunch of different colors. This one is the multicam, but I usually keep this in the original package, and I just kind of cut it like that, so then I can keep this roll tucked down in there. Just a little tip, because I don't use all the material at one time. But what I use it for, well, here, let me show you what how it works first. It just peels off like that. You can it's actually wider than that, but it's very easy to just, you can either cut it, it tears pretty easy. It's kind of like a athletic tape, but then they've put these different patterns on there, and it's kind of spongy. So I've used it on different weapon systems. You can put it on there. It's very comfortable on your hands. You can put a couple of wraps around there. It stretches out. If you don't like it, you can just unwrap it. It doesn't leave any adhesive on there. The other thing, as you can see, I've cut this down because I'll put it on like slings, and where I've got like this tail piece that comes out. If I'm still kind of playing around with the adjustment on this, I don't want to cut it all the way down, and I don't want that tail piece hanging out there getting in my way. I'll cut a small strip of that camo form, wrap it around there, and I've never had any problem with it. It just stays on there. And then if you so you can just unpeel that and reuse it however you want to. But so I've got it on that end, got it down on this end here, and it just makes makes for a lot cleaner install, instead of using some kind of, I don't know, duct tape or whatever, something else that's shiny. This stuff is definitely got a matte finish to it, and doesn't leave any sticky residue on your whatever your application may be. But anyway, you can use it in all kinds of grips, whatever you need to use it for. So anyway, Camo form, reusable self-cling wrap, highly recommended. Thanks for watching.